Back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, I'm going to have a little bit of rice and peas left back over. And also, I have some Pak Choi and some saltfish. Alright, so we're going to do a simple fry up. Enjoy the fry up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave a comment in the description box. Please share the video to that friend and a friend to that friend. We love you all. And not only that, guys, we have a lot of recipe coming up for you. So don't go anywhere and watch this an amazing video from Chef Ricardo today. Stay tuned. To be one of these kind of video which you need to watch. Alright, saltfish and Pak Choi is not normal thing from Chef Ricardo today. Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright, so this is what we're going to do today. Honestly, it's going to be one of these kind of recipe where you have to make sure you watch that video. Alright, beautiful one. So keep tuning in and watch this and an amazing video from Chef Ricardo today. Alright, this is going to be nice to see you, one. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Beautiful. Anyway, this one gonna be a very quick one. It's nothing too complicated or too long and jot. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo. I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to do this and an amazing. Alright, saltfish and what I must say. This is what? Saltfish and Pak Choi. Yeah, saltfish and Pak Choi. Alright, let's dig into it. We're gonna put roughly about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the front pan. Alright, that's the first thing what we're going to do. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do and make this beautiful dinner today from Chef Ricardo. Alright, we got some carrot. I'm going to cut up some carrot. Alright, so we got the carrot. We're going to put the carrot straight inside of the front pan. That is lovely. Alright, so that's the carrot. That's the first thing what we're going to put inside of the pot right away. Alright, guys. So yeah, stay tuned in. Don't go anywhere. Watch the video because this video is not a normal video. Alright, so we got the carrot. Secondly, we're going to put some white onion also in the front pan. Alright, lovely. That is lovely and nice. So I'm just using roughly about half of a white onion into the front pan. We got some scotch, but this is some chili pepper. Alright, lovely. So that's nice to have a little bit of chili. Chop it straight inside of it. We got some saltfish. This saltfish I'm already boil it off, you know what I mean? Cook it off and thing and wash it off, get it ready. And I'm gonna chop this also inside of it. Alright, saltfish with it. Alright, so that's the saltfish. Now we got a tomato. Just gonna simple cut it up very small and chop that straight inside of it. That is lovely and nice. Yeah, let's get my spoon ready. Okay. Alright. So it's just roughly about half cups of saltfish I've been using. It's not a lot of saltfish. Alright. Gonna use just a little piece of yellow pepper. Nice one. Yeah, so and I got some red pepper. Just gonna use just a little piece of a red pepper. Nice one. So you just wanna simple give that a stir. So we got the saltfish, we got carrot, we got tomato, we got peppers, a lot of things are going on right this side of the pot. Also I got some cherry tomato which I'm gonna just use them up. Just gonna chop them inside of it. Get a lovely color same way. Beautiful, got a piece of fresh thyme. Put that straight inside of it. We got some spring onion. Alright. Gonna put some spring onion inside of it. Chop that straight inside of it, just like that. And that is lovely. See? Beautiful one. So that's the saltfish, carrot, a lot of vegetables, as you can see it for yourself. That looking good. Honestly, that looking fantastic and amazing. 100%, guys. Stay tuned in, don't go anywhere, and watch the video. Alright. Now, remember we got the Caribbean Fusion sauce and spice that come. We're gonna put in a little bit of it inside of it also, but we don't want to reach it yet. Just hold on a second. Alright, just gonna simply show you exactly what's going on right in the kitchen. Alright. But it's looking good, to be honest with you. It's looking really fantastic and amazing right there at the moment. 100%. Trust me, guys. Alright, so yeah. Things looking good, and you know what I mean, a lot of vegetable, you can't go wrong. Alright. What we're going to do is put some black pepper. This is some black pepper, yeah. Make sure, right, you know what we're talking about. Alright. Little bit of chili. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna get a little bit of the master and roasted grill season inside of it. This doesn't have any salt, guys. These are low in salt, so that's why I can be able to use them. Alright, the Caribbean Fusion seasoner. That does bring in a lovely flavor to it. So don't worry yourself when you see I'm using the season. Alright, it's pretty good. Alright, nice one. So we just fry up the saltfish with the vegetables, you know what I mean? That's gonna bring in a lovely flavor to the Pak Choi. Alright, because you know up and now, Pak Choi is not a vegetable where take long to cook. It's very easy to cook, so you have to just, you know what I mean. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply start cut up the Pak Choi. Alright, make sure you wash off the Pak Choi them good and put it straight inside of it like that. I'm just using 2 pack of Pak Choi, so it's not a lot. Beautiful one. So a lot of people may cook it differently, but you know what I mean, as I say, this is my version, you know what I mean? Yeah, my version of Pak Choi and saltfish. Wicked recipe. Look at that. So that look nice. You just want to fry it up, you know? Yeah, that's gonna be nice, you know. Trust me, that's gonna be wicked. Beautiful. The color, the texture, wow, that is amazing. That is lovely. Ah, that is just amazing. Look at that. That is lovely, guys. Beautiful one. So let's give this a stir. Alright, now, as I said, this doesn't take long to cook, guys. Trust me. It's a very simple one, this. Alright. But look at that. This would be nice with some coconut rice or some rice and peas and all them stuff. There are some hard food with some cornmeal dumpling and all them things there. But don't worry yourself. Let's take time, dig into it. Alright? Yeah. Yeah. So that looking good. So what we're going to do now is take our time and get things together. Alright, as you can see for yourself, that looking fantastic. So give it a stir. But you can see for yourself, guys. Look at that, beautiful. Lots of vegetables. You can't go wrong with vegetable, guys. Can't go wrong with a lot of vegetable. Never go wrong. Alright. Can't go wrong with vegetables. Give it a stir. See how that look nice? Yeah, something different, you know what I mean? Something different on the plate. Look how that look good. Oh my God. Jamaica recipe queen. I want to know how the sweet pepper cake come out, you know, because you even give me a highlight on the sweet pepper cake. Yeah, give me a highlight for the sweet pepper cake. Let me know what's going on with the sweet pepper cake. Yeah. This is amazing. Beautiful one, look at that. Oh my gosh. This smells fantastic. That smell amazing. That smell amazing, guys. 100%. Trust me. If you ever smell this, amazing. That is just fantastic. That is just lovely and also delicious. 100%, trust me. That is just 100%. You can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with this, guys. Alright, so now what we're going to do, as you can see, I'm just going to plate up some food now, because as I said, that doesn't take long to cook. It's a simple recipe, guys, to make at home in your kitchen. Alright, so if you're at home and you feel like do something different, then this come in really handy for you, you know what I mean? And not only that, it can be served with hard food, dumpling, banana and all them thing there. Yeah, a lot of stuff can be served with it, alright? Yeah. But anyway, watch the video and you'll see exactly what's going on. You have to watch the video to see what's going on. Good morning, Nicole. Man, that is fantastic and amazing. That is lovely. That is just so lovely. Trust me, you don't wanna miss this video. Yeah. You just don't wanna miss this video, guys. Honestly, if you miss this video, you're gonna miss something where you'll never see again. Alright? So you just don't wanna miss this video. That is just so beautiful and lovely and nice. Wow, fantastic and amazing. That is just lovely. Wow. That's exactly what I'm talking about. you have to make sure it cook down really good and nice, you know. Trust me, you have to. You know what I mean? I put a little bit of the Jamaican, the Caribbean fusion seasoning in it, bringing a lovely flavor, you know. But honestly, you have to make sure it cook really, really good, because if it don't cook good, you're gonna have some serious problem, alright? Yeah. You're gonna have a serious problem. So you have to make sure this thing cook really good. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is turn off the stove. Alright, so right there, I turn off the stove. Alright, just to make you guys can see what I want. Stove is off, but 100% you're gonna see exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. When I'm saying stay in the kitchen and don't go anywhere, because if you miss this video, you miss something you can't see again. Alright, now look at this. This is just amazing and beautiful. Alright, saltfish with Pak Choi. This is no normal thing. Put that aside. And we don't want to burn up the pot. Alright, I'm gonna put this one right there. And then this is what you want to do. Alright, that is just lovely, fantastic, and amazing. Alright, so yeah, we got some Pak Choi and saltfish and rice and peas, and this is how you want to do it in the kitchen with a lot of salad. You can't go wrong, guys, with this. Trust me. If you ever tell me that you can go wrong with this, something definitely wrong with you. Alright, but look at that. That is fantastic and an amazing. Alright, over here we got some rice and peas. Beautiful rice and peas. We got Pak Choi with some saltfish, rice and peas. We got gherkins, we got olive, we got cucumber, we got avocado. There's so many things are going on. There's so many things are going on right now in the kitchen. So a little bit of black pepper on top of it. Trust me, you're good to go, guys. 100%. That's exactly what I'm talking about. So if you missed the video, don't worry yourself. You're able to watch it again, as you can see exactly what's going on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo right now. Alright, but if, as I say, if you missed the video, don't worry yourself. You can watch it again and again and again. Alright, so yeah, as you can see for yourself, that was just amazing, fantastic, lovely, and delicious. Alright, we got Pak Choi, we got rice and peas, we got gherkins, we got some olive, we got some beetroot, we got some cucumber and avocado. Tell me, wow, that's exactly what you need in the evening right there, like a Monday evening. Alright, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo team, and don't forget to subscribe and click in the notification bell. It's very important, guys, to share some love. Alright, join my YouTube channel membership and share some love. Alright, that's